Summers, welcome to part 2 of our plant and weather series. I hope that the seeds that we sent out to you guys are growing and doing well. And this time around, we're going to be taking a closer look at the weather. And so last time I showed the plant pamphlet that we sent out to you, but this time I kind of want to show off the weather one because I learned a lot from looking through here. I thought it was really cool. They show all the different types of clouds and what they mean. And there's also weather terms, predicting the weather, weather phenomenon. So there's a lot of really cool things in here. And the part that I thought was the coolest was the weather lore. Now, I had only heard a couple of these before, but as I was reading through them, I thought some of them were really interesting. I'd never heard anything like that, and so I'm kind of curious to learn about whether or not these things hold true. So we also have a lot of really fun things planned out for you. We're going to be learning about the wind with bubbles and pinwheels, and then I found some really fun activities with basically weather in a jar. I did try all 3 activities. The one that I don't show off in the video is the making a cloud because it didn't show up very well on camera, and to be honest, the kids weren't really all that excited about it. We tried it, but they were like, nah, it's not an impressive cloud, but you can kind of get the idea about how clouds form when you do the activity. The one that the kids really liked a lot was the 2 that show how moisture accumulates in the clouds and become rain. Those ones they love doing. And so coming up in the video, I show little bits of us doing those 2 activities, and then I shared the instructions and screenshots for the making a cloud activity. And then I also shared some pictures that I've taken that showcase different types of weather and the plants that grow in each type of season. So winter, spring, summer, fall, showing the way that the sky looks, interesting cloud patterns that I've seen. And so I wanted to share some of those to just get an idea of what different types of weather look like. So I hope you guys like those. And then in the description below, I have included the instructions, the links to all 3 of the jar activities, and then 2 really great stories that we found talking about the weather. So with all this fun stuff coming up, I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys cut right to it. Thank you so much for participating. I hope you enjoy everything we have planned for you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. So you guys have a great day. I hope you all had a good Mother's Day too. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of the week. We'll see you next time.